Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jolov. So, ang wish ko sa'yo is happy lang always, and of course, mag-enjoy ka lang sa school mo, and sana magkita na tayo ulit soon and makapag-bonding and more birthdays to come and candles to blow. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Just enjoy your day.
Bye-bye, Jello. We miss you.
Happy 16th birthday, Kuya Jello. Panatilihin ang pagiging mapagmahal na anak at mabuting tao. Laging magtitiwala kay God at sa sarili. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Dito lagi si Miss Miel. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jello. Congratulations on being 16. You have officially reached the UNC status, just like me and Aaron. We're now 16, so congratulations. I hope you enjoy your birthday today, and I hope we get to make more memories together. And I hope in the near future we'll all still be connected despite being adults. And I hope after grade 10 we'll still be connected. We'll still chat each other. I'd like you to know that I'm always here for you and all of our friends. And I hope and we hope that you'd achieve all of your dreams and goals in life. Keep pursuing what you love. Do your passion, bro. We love you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy 16th birthday, Jello. Happy birthday, Jello. Wishing you many more. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jello. I wish you the best and may this year bless you with good health and joyful memories.
Happy birthday, Jello. It's been like years since we've been friends. Not even friends anymore. It's like best friends. It's been like I've been friends with you, bro, with like grade 4. It's a really special day for you, man. You turn in UNC status. You've been friends for years, bro. Hope we never like separated or anything, bro. I'd be very hurt to like see you gone. I don't want to lose you, man. Like, if I were to choose, if I had to save 1,000 people by sacrificing you, I wouldn't pick that, man. You're the best, bro. Happy birthday, bro, and I'm sorry I can't attend your birthday. But like, I pray for you every day, man. Love you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jello.
Happiest birthday, Jello. Hindi ko alam kung natatandaan mo pa, pero nung mga bata tayo, dun sa likod nyo, lagi tayong naliligo dun kapag mainit, yung maglalagay tayo ng batsa, tas magbubukas tayo ng hose, tas abutin tayo ng hanggang tanghali. Paminsan nabili pa tayo ng ice cream nun pag may nadaan. Tanda ko yun kasi may picture tayo nun. Hindi ko rin alam kung natatandaan mo na nung high school ako, pag nakikita ko si mami mo sa all camp, nasabay ako dun sa inyo. Tapos mag-stay ako dun. Tapos magkakantahan tayo or mag-uusap about sa Minecraft. Tapos, ano pa ba? Magkikwento ka sa akin about sa mga samurai mo or yung mga collection mo ng mga espada. Nakakamiss talaga yun. Nakakamiss. Pero yun nga, dahil magkalayo tayo, wala na tayong masyadong interactions. Pero, I just wanna say that I'm always your ate. You can always message me anytime kapag may kailangan ka or you need kausap. And, ang wish ko lang is for you to continue what you really love to do or pursue the things you really want to do, lalo na yung pagdating sa soccer mo and sa pagpapiano mo. Continue serving the Lord at always be kind to your parents. We're always here. We love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jello. Wish ng Kuya Zaki sa'yo matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay at sana ay lumaki kang mabuting bata. Yun lang. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan, ha. Love kayo ng Kuya Zaki.